Did you know that a simple transparent PNG or SVG file can unlock several useful MPskin tricks? In this video, I'll show you 4 different ways to use invisible elements inside your tour. Let's get started. First, let's create an invisible click action. To do this, we upload a transparent SVG as a virtual staging object and place it over the area we want to make interactive. We can then add a click action to the object. For example, to open a pop-up, play a video, link to another page, or trigger any other available action. The invisible object itself will not be visible to the visitor, but the selected area can still be clicked. This is especially useful if you want real objects or areas inside the tour to become interactive without adding any visible icons. Transparent elements can also be used to create invisible walls. This is helpful if visitors are not supposed to enter certain rooms or sections, while the tour itself should still look unchanged. By placing an invisible object inside the space and scaling it to the required size, we can block access to specific areas of the tour without adding any visible barrier. Be sure to set the object to clickable without actually adding any click action to it. This way, the object just acts as a barrier. Next, let's look at a useful workaround for closed doors or missing pathways. In many cases, a blocked doorway can be solved by adjusting the trim settings of the tour. However, if trimming the door does not work as intended, or if you simply want to guide visitors from one position directly to another, you can use this little workaround. Simply place an invisible virtual staging object over the door or the area that you want to make clickable. Then, assign a deep link as the click action and link it to the desired location on the other side. When visitors click on the invisible area, they are taken directly to the linked position. This can be useful for creating smoother navigation between rooms or for teleporting visitors from one point in the tour to another. Lastly, I'll show you how to create invisible tags. Depending on your project, invisible elements can help you create cleaner interfaces, smoother navigation, and a more customized visitor experience. For this trick, we upload a transparent SVG as the tag icon and disable the tag stem. The tag will no longer appear as a visible marker inside the tour, but can still be listed in the menu and opened whenever needed. This is a great option if you want to provide additional information without cluttering the tour interface. And that's it! One simple, transparent file, 4 useful MPskin tricks.